History of NEROLI is a company located in Medellin dedicated to fragrance and cosmetics. They stand out because they fulfill customer needs and transform brands and concept and experience into fragrance.
Well, now with the company objectives and the B2B proposal. Well, Neroli strongly stated on their website and advertised it everywhere that they want to provide fragrances for companies of all sizes, being small, being medium, being a big company. This means that the company plans to become a complete statement in the fragrance industry and be the number one provider. This also means that Neroli wants to be the number one thought when a new company or any company wants to incursionate on fragrance.
And the portfolio B2C is two lines, Hardin Amores and is Time to Dream. In Hardin Amores is Capullos Dorados, Capullos Rosa, Capullos Verdes. And it's Time to Dream is body scrub to eucalyptus, tangerine, lavender, neroli, and lemongrass. In the net sales in 2020 was a great year for Neroli, achievement almost more million pesos colombianos on sales.
The Colombian context, we put here the objective dimensions, and we can see that they are not individual. Colombia is not individual at all. They don't plan long term. This tells us a lot about the fragrance industry, but the conclusions that we had were mainly on the culture, like the Paisa culture, the Costeño culture, like different cultures that Neroli wants to incursion. So the Colombian culture, to sum up, is very vain. It's very they tend to smell good, look good. They want everything to be perfect with the physical aspect. So that is what is cool, and the fragrance industry is so big here.
For permission requirements is instruction for product use, label, studies that confirm that benefits, effects, and aims of their own product, and primary baking material and secondary if applicable. Governmental institutions is ANDI, INVIMA, Superintendencia Industria y Comercio, and Cámara de Comercio. Its localization in three cities in Colombia: Bogotá, Cali, and Medellin. The main access routes are through the main ports of Colombia, which are Buenaventura, Santa Marta, Cartagena, and Barranquilla, and also airway the José María Córdoba and El Dorado airports.
Well, now we identify the main players of the cosmetic and fragrance industry in Colombia, and Colombia has over 490 cosmetic and fragrance companies registered in the ENVIMA and the Cámara de Comercio. The biggest providers in Colombia are all that we list here. BioBell Natural is the biggest provider of raw materials to all the companies, and is the with the better prices and everything. The biggest players in Colombia now, distributing, retail, and everything, we have here is Jambal with a 7% of the whole industry. Then we have Unilever that has a 6.9.
Advantage and disadvantage: the good, Colombia is currently the third most important exporter in Latin America, and the cosmetic industry is worth almost 4,000 millions Colombian pesos. The ugly is harsh competition from well-established companies and difficult to small and medium companies.
Well, now we project our proposal for the internationalization project that we have, and it's called Custom Body Fragrances and Creams. The proposal is based on the objective of the company objective, what Neroli does best, and the idea is very simple. It's arrive to that foreign market and offer either a custom fragrance or cream, or both if they want to companies that wish to turn their brand into a smell. Let's say Nike wants to become a smell.